One of the biggest sectors of the cryptocurrency market that I see performing well over the longer term are the exchange tokens. And the second largest exchange token is CRO Crypto.com. And Crypto.com has recently had some massive news and updates, as well as a very bullish price chart. So in this video, I'll be going over all of the news and relevant updates in regards to Crypto.com and its token CRO, and then we'll be hopping into the price charts to go over the technicals so I can show you what I see shaping up in the near term. If that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. Welcome to Crypto Empire. My name is Connor, and this is where we dominate the crypto markets. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Now, before we hop into Crypto.com, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market cap to get our bearings straight. As you can see, we have a $2.088 trillion market cap. Bitcoin is trading at $44,150. To me, it looks like we are primed for a breakout in the short term. And to find Crypto.com, we can come on down here to number 16 in market cap. Now, at this moment in time, Crypto.com is trading for 47.5 cents with a market cap of $12 billion. Now, one thing to note about CRO Crypto.com is its circulating supply and its total supply. As you can see, the circulating supply is 25.263 billion tokens, and the total supply is 30.263 billion. So the majority of the tokens are already in circulation. That is exactly what I do like to see. And we'll be getting into Crypto.com in terms of all of the products and services they offer on their exchange, because a lot of these tokens are actually locked up. Whether you're getting your Metal Visa card, staking on the platform, tokens getting locked up in DeFi protocols, as well as people just keeping their CRO on their Crypto.com exchange account to get lower fees and more benefits on the exchange. Now with Crypto.com, I did cover this in depth last year in 2021, and I also made a full tutorial on how to use the mobile exchange application. I'll leave a card right here to that exchange tutorial if you're interested in learning how to use the Crypto.com exchange. I do use it myself, and it does get the job done in terms of a centralized exchange. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested. Now, with the supply of CRO, they actually burned 70 billion coins last year. The total supply used to be 100 billion. They burned 70 billion permanently from circulation, which made the tokenomics a lot more favorable for everyday investors like you and I. So that is definitely something to keep in mind with CRO, the fact that the tokenomics are now good, whereas before they were not very favorable at all for a retail investor. Now moving on, the all-time high of CRO is 96.5 cents, and this did occur back in November of 2021, just 3 months ago, and now price is 47.5 cents. Now in my price prediction video for CRO, I actually did predict that price would hit exactly where it is right now for my end of year price prediction for 2021. Now if it does reach a $10 billion market cap, which is possible, obviously everything else is going to rise as well, but with the amount of marketing that they're doing, if they do see the growth that they do want and the adoption that they want with their mainstream mass adoption marketing with all of the major sports teams, then yeah, I would say it's possible that they hit a $10 billion market cap, and that would take it to about a 2x, to about 38 cents. And again, if you guys remember on the chart, that would basically take us to this upward sloping trend line. If it does go to about 40 cents, right? 38, 40 cents. So my price prediction is very conservative because this is what we have with the data, and it makes perfect sense in terms of my technical analysis as well. I think we could see a 2x this year back up to 40 cents, or a new all-time high at 40 cents with Crypto.com. I do believe that this bull market will extend into 2022. So I did undershoot it by a little bit. However, I think that CRO is primed to have another amazing year in 2022. It had a fantastic year in 2021. Let's get into the reasons why I am very bullish on CRO. So first things first, it is built on the Cosmos SDK. CRO has two blockchains right now. They have the Cronos EVM chain, and they also have the Crypto.org Cosmos SDK IBC chain. So it has a lot going for it with multiple different blockchains. As you can see right here in the screen, these are the top Cosmos ecosystem coins by market cap. CRO is just behind Terra in terms of the top IBC Cosmos ecosystem coins. So it has that going for it. It will be an IBC layer 1 sovereign individual blockchain built on Cosmos SDK within the Cosmos ecosystem. And then there is also the Cronos Chain. The Cronos Chain is an EVM blockchain. So you log in with your MetaMask account, same thing as Avalanche or Harmony One, etc. All of the main Binance Smart Chain as well. Binance Smart Chain is the other exchange token that also is a layer 1 blockchain. So Crypto.com and Binance Smart Chain, BNB Binance Coin, they're actually very similar. But Crypto.com does take it up a notch by the fact that they have another blockchain built on the Cosmos SDK. So in regards to the Cronos chain, the EVM Crypto.com chain, they will release their Ethereum bridge very soon. So this is going to be a huge catalyst for DeFi to explode on Cronos. And if we look at DeFi Llama, we can already see that on the Cronos chain, if we come on over here to the left side where it says chains, on the Cronos chain, it is already ranked number 9 in terms of these blockchains and the total value locked in DeFi. And it does have $2.47 billion of TVL at this moment in time. So it's ahead of Osmosis, Harmony One, as you can see, Polkadot as well. So a lot is happening in terms of DeFi on the Cronos EVM chain for Crypto.com. So look out for that Ethereum bridge to go live. And I think it's going to be a huge catalyst for a lot of value to be transferred over. And a lot of these DeFi protocols will be seeing a lot more money pour into them as it does have more users from Ethereum and from the Ethereum bridge releasing soon. And you can already bridge your assets from other Cosmos ecosystem blockchains. As you can see, you can bridge assets from Crypto.org, Cosmos, Terra, and Cronos. Ethereum is coming soon for this bridge. So huge news, huge update right here with the Ethereum Cronos bridge going live soon. You can already bridge over assets from Cosmos, from Terra, and from Crypto.org, which is the other Crypto.com blockchain. I know it might be confusing. They do have a lot going on, but credit to them for building all of this out. They're clearly building here for the long term, and they are building the technology, the layer 1 chains, to see massive adoption. Now, in terms of the actual exchange of Crypto.com, go watch my full video I made about it last year if you want to know all the ins and outs of the exchange and all the details. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But they are a massive global cryptocurrency exchange. They are just behind Binance in terms of how big they are, and they do have a lot of products. You can stake your coins in Crypto.com and earn interest. You can get yourself a shiny metal Visa card and get cash back in Crypto.com tokens. And there's different tiers. You can get airline lounge benefits, right? When you go to the airport, you can get in the lounge. You can also see you get Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime. A lot of free stuff that comes with these cards. And these also act as bank accounts. You can use your Crypto.com account, a centralized exchange account, as your bank account. And you can use this card as your everyday card for everyday purchases and get cash back. So it's very popular. I know a lot of people that like to use this. So check this out if you have never seen this before. I do have the red ruby Visa card here. I got mine a long time ago now in September of 2020. I don't really use it too much. It's just kind of a shiny object that I have, but it's pretty cool to have, and there are a lot of benefits for the card holders depending on which tier you do get. So you can lock up your tokens, you can stake them. You do need to put up CRO to actually get yourself this metal Visa card. We can see the lockup amount. So if you want to get the Black Obsidian, you need to lock up 350 euros worth of CRO coins to actually get yourself the Obsidian card. So they have different tiers, and this causes a lot of the CRO tokens to actually get locked up. Now, Crypto.com also has a massive marketing campaign. They are partnering and sponsoring the biggest names in sports. NBA, UFC, football, soccer, you name it, they are on it. This is their Twitter account. And if we go to the top of their Twitter account, you can see they have LeBron as the face of their exchange right now. So they have what's called omnipresence. Wherever you look, you're going to see Crypto.com. That in and of itself is very bullish. So this is a massive project. It's number 16 in market cap. Massive marketing, huge benefits for people that use the exchange. They have multiple layer 1 public blockchains that have DeFi applications, and you can just use them like any other layer 1 blockchain. Developers can build on top of them. So there is a lot going for Crypto.com. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the price charts and see what is going on with the price at this moment in time. So if we start looking on the daily chart, you can see from the all-time high at this moment in time, we are down to current price about 50%. Now, we did have a nice double bottom play out here. I'll jump back to the 4-hour, and you can see that after we were going down significantly, when we double bottomed, we were down from the all-time high, 66%. We did have a double bottom form. This is a bullish reversal signal. I like to call this a W as well. All right, you can go ahead and draw a W here, and we reverse out of that. And we have another key thing happen here where we broke this downtrend line. As you can see, this was a multi-month downtrend line from the end of December. From about Christmas time, we were in this downtrend, and we did break out right here. And then we bumped and ran, right? We broke out, we retested once. We couldn't break this high, this local high, to make a higher high. We came back and we retested the same trend line, and then we went ahead and took off to really where we are now. So from this double bottom, the price of CRO did run up about 65%, and it did face resistance right here at the 54-cent level. Now I'll hop back out to a daily chart to show you why this is significant. So this is a major support resistance flip level over here at 54 cents. As you can see, it has been used many times in the past for both support and resistance. Over here, here as well, we have candle bodies opening and closing, and then bounced off of support here. Now it is being used as resistance once again. You have a clearer picture on the 4-hour, but I just want to show you that very quickly. And also we have another bullish factor. We have the golden cross, which is when lower time frame moving averages actually cross above the higher time frame moving average. So we can see we have the 55 EMA, this is the purple line here, cross above my pink 200 EMA. So this is the golden cross. This is a very bullish signal. And also we now have a descending falling wedge forming on the chart as well, which is a bullish chart pattern. So CRO is looking primed up for a nice run at this local high here to break out and make a higher high and really continue this uptrend from this double bottom down here at the low 30-cent level. So what you could be doing if you were interested in taking a position in CRO is you really have two options here. You can either buy the pullback or go long on the breakout. If you were looking for a pullback entry, what we can go ahead and do is we can take a fib from the swing high down to the swing low double bottom down here. And we can see that we do have the 50% retracement just here at 43 cents. Okay, so I see this level, and I see it's a key structure level as well. If I just look over here, the same 43-cent level uses support here again. Now it was used as resistance over here. So I know that there is a lot of liquidity right there at the 43-cent level. Currently, price is using the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement at about 47, 46 cents. It did bounce there as support once, as you can see right here. So if this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement doesn't hold, I could see price coming down here, grabbing some liquidity at about 43 cents and heading up higher. And the other option is to take the breakout of this wedge. And for that, I would be looking somewhere around 51 cents. If I draw a line right there, as you can see, price did pull back there. And if we also look to the left, always look to the left, you can see 51 cents was used as support, a lot of liquidity here, 51 cents. 50 cents is really the level, but 51, if we want to get really technical, is where I would be looking for a breakout trade here on CRO. So the technicals are lining up for a move, a push to the upside. We have the golden cross, we have this falling wedge, we have this double bottom trend reversal signal down here. We have all these bullish news factors for CRO. They were in the Super Bowl with the Super Bowl commercial. They have LeBron with them. They are with Paris Saint-Germain, the soccer football club, as well as Formula One, the UFC, Philadelphia 76ers, NBA teams. They have it all, Crypto.com, multiple blockchains, Cronos Chain, the EVM chain, and Crypto.org chain. A lot is going on right now with CRO. The technicals are lining up. A lot of key things that I'm liking here in the charts. So have your eyes on CRO going forward in the short term here in February of 2022. So the Crypto.com exchange token does have a lot going for it at this moment in time. We went over all the bullish factors in this video, and we also took a look at the price chart, and we see a lot of things shaping up for a push higher to the upside. So look out for that pullback down to around 43 cents if we do get that, or that breakout above 51 for some opportunities, some ideas if you do want to go ahead and trade CRO. But I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you let me know by leaving a like down below. And also, I want to hear your thoughts on CRO. Will you be using the Cronos chain or the Crypto.org chain? Let me know in a comment down below. And if you're new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.